I was looking on Pinterest today trying to find some unique ideas to get inspiration from to make my own pattern for a unique top, and I ran across over 50 different ideas to get inspiration from the fantastic creators found on Pinterest. There are some really neat ideas on this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes, I'll recreate one of the winning ideas.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh,
We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there.